gearheads. Some come to push their cars to the limits, sliding through corners, searching for the perfect combination of speed, angle, and line. To some, looks are all that matters, building their cars, putting perfection before function. Others just come to enjoy the show and get inspired by the thrill. Join the fastest growing car culture in the world.
It's amazing to be around here like a good friend.
Adria Drift Series. It's more than just drifting.